Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to SM CAD. As I promised in last tutorial that we will convert this 2D lamp into 3D and also we will do rendering job to see the realistic view of anybody. He's new here and he want to know how we draw this lamp in 2D. You can watch my previous tutorial. You will see step by step how we draw this lamp in 2D. So let's start with the 3D now. First of all, I will just copy this. I'll just copy this whole lamp from here to one side. Okay, and I will draw one line in the center, and then I will trim this half portion which we don't need. Then I will delete the line which we don't need at all also. Here, this line, here, and this two also. Now we will start with this glass section. You can see this is combination of two arc. I will just move this one a little bit up. Okay, and I will join these two together, both arc, enter, and I will take an offset with the 0.5 unit to inside. Okay, and now I'll just see here it is not coming fully because it was an arc. So I'll just bring it down and then I will trim this, which is no need for this. Also, this line no need here. Here also no need. And again, I will do joining for the all these lines. Okay, finish the joining. Now we will do revolve. RAV for revolve. Select, enter the sections. How we need revolve like this, and with the 360 unit. If we look to the conceptual or 3D view, you can see it is looks like solid. I will just move this one from here with the, I will say 150 units. Oh, it's go too much far. Again, I will move. That was by mistakenly go to 1700. 150, enter. Okay. Now, again, come back. We will just revolve this area also, this portion, because this is a separate portion above the thread. I'll just draw one line from here to down. And because this is a full line, so I will don't need the full line, only this section I need to make revolve. So this is why I draw one line. Here I will take an offset, again 0.5 to inside, draw this small line and trim the balance section which we don't need. Again join and revolve from here to here and the 360 unit. Okay. This thread section, leave it. This we will draw later on. Now I'll come to this position. This three points. You can see it is different. And if you go to the picture, the middle one is black. That's why I need to make separate all these three section. So just I will remove this because I need to draw some polylines. So polyline start from here, go like this, and here we have one line which is end here. From here it's coming like this. Okay, another polyline from here. Follow these lines and join here. The last one start from here. We'll follow these lines and coming here. Okay, revolve all these three. Enter from here, click here and 360. Now we will go to the isometric view, but before that, just we will check the dimension of this height is 30. Yes, okay. And also from here to here it is 50. Yes, correct. Okay. Now we'll go to an isometric view. Okay. And here we will draw one circle, which diameter I will give. The total length was 50. So I'll give here 25 diameter. Okay. And again, in this, we will draw one helix. We'll track the center point. Same diameter will be 25. Down, up diameter also I need 25. Now we'll go to the turn. How many turns we need? You can see here how much turns we have. One, two, three, four, five, and six. So just click on the turns, six, and the height. Also, we check this height is 30. Okay. Now one more circle with the 1 unit, and we will sweep this circle on helix. Here, select this one, enter, and apply it here. Okay. Now we will draw one more cylinder here, CYL for cylinder. Track the midpoint like this. Same diameter is 25. The height is 30. Okay. Now we will subtract this portion. From this portion, I need to subtract this helix. Enter. You can see thread is almost ready, but we need to do some finishing job here. We can just have a look on this. As a real thread, the corners are not like smooth. Okay, so we need to apply fillet. Just enter F for fillet. Click one section, anyone. I'll just click here, and here I will enter one, and again enter. So you can see here it's become smooth again. We'll apply fillet. Now click on the down section, and again one, double enter. See, now it's become smoother. Okay. Now we'll go again to 2D wireframe, and here I will draw just one more cylinder. Can you track the middle point like this? And now I will give a radius instead of 25, I will give 22. Okay, enter, and this height doesn't matter because we're going to subtract the same cylinder, but I will give just 40. Okay, again we will go to conceptual view, and now we will subtract from here to this. So this portion is also ready. Okay, now what we will do, we will just rotate this with the 3DR command, 3DR, 3D rotate, and I need on which section we need to rotate this one. Yeah. Okay, here I'll just go 90 degree, and again I need to rotate it with this section. 3DR. Okay. Now we'll go to top section, oh, sorry, top view, and we will move this one with some base point like this, and keep it here for exact location. Okay. Just I'll delete this circle, no need for anymore for that. And I will move this complete part with the, we can say, like 50 units. Okay. Now we don't need this portion anymore. These lines also I don't need anymore. Okay. Here we will start now the internal section. I'll just exclude this because here also I need to remove this some lines. And I will trim this section. Okay. Now I will join this because this is different line. You can see separate lines. So first I will join this, enter, and again here I will take an offset for 0.5 to inside, and I will just close these points. Okay, and again we will apply join command, and again revolve with the 360. So internal section is almost ready also. Just now we'll look on this element section. For the element, I will just draw one circle. Okay, that will be like I will say 0.3 is okay, and then I will just copy this. One, two, three, four. Four line we have. One, two, three, four. And we will sweep these one on each one like this. Again, repeat. Okay. Now this section again we'll draw one more circle. That I will go with the point four. Okay, and we'll just take from here two more copies. One, two, total will be three, and sweep. So we are already done almostly. But before joining these things, I will just first will move this one again from here. We take it down with 50 units. So I'll go up with the 50 units also. And before moving here to this portion to here, we will do the some material lab job. Okay. So before that, also I will just draw one box here that will be act as a wall once we do the rendering job. So we need some kind of wall. Okay. We will just move this portion. Okay. Now MAT for material. AutoCAD have its own material lab. Now we have Autodesk library. In this library, first I will go with the glass. Glass, I will go with the, you see there is a clear light. So I will just tag this one, click on this and leave it here. And also internal section for this one also. Okay. And before the do rendering, I will just also go for this section, which is will go for aluminum. Okay, this is metal. From metal, I will go here. This is actually depending on you how you want to design, but I will go just here. Okay, this is light. No, we'll go with the anodize. We'll go with the gray type. I think this will be better. Okay, so just click here, bring it, and also again from here we'll click like this section here, and this one portion is black. Keep it like this. Okay, just we will do one more change this, go to wood, and here I'll go with maple to this box which we draw. Now we will render this, then we will join after that. Yeah, the aluminum color I think I need to change because it's coming too much brown. Okay, we can change this color, but you can see the glass is very clear here also you can see, and that is the shadow. This is also the glass which is the internal part. Okay, we'll go back to metal, and here we'll go with the cast, aluminum cast. That I think this will be good. Again, we need to change. I think it's not looks like real, but better we can understand something from here. We can say here this will be good, the white one. Anodized white. Yes, I think this is good. Okay. Yeah, this looks like real. Okay, and now we will move this portion with the again here 150 units, and now we can do rendering as you will see that as like a realistic view. Yes, you can see here, this is the glass internal element also we can see through. And you see this internal portion, actually it was also clear glass before moving this part. Once we move it, because of some reflection, it's coming like this, but you can change this one also. So I hope you understand something from here. If you learn something, you like this video, just follow me for more AutoCAD tutorials. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.